WAI Global is a premier leading parts manufacturer offering a complete line of 100% new alternators, starters, and wiper motors. When it comes to vehicle safety, certain features immediately spring to mind: seat belts, airbags, and anti-lock braking systems, to name just a few. However, nestled within the multitude of safety mechanisms is an often overlooked but crucial component. The wiper motor plays a pivotal role in maintaining clear visibility. At its core, the wiper motor is an electric motor designed to convert electrical energy into mechanical power, which in turn moves the wiper blades back and forth across the windshield. The seamless operation of the system is crucial, especially during adverse weather conditions when the demand on the wipers can be relentless. Recognizing the early signs of wiper motor failure is key to avoiding compromised visibility during crucial moments on the road. Some telltale indicators include wipers that move slower than the selected speed, only work on one speed setting, or fail to move at all. When the time comes to replace a wiper motor, opting for a high-quality replacement is paramount. High-quality wiper motors ensure reliability, durability, and optimal performance, qualities that are non-negotiable when it comes to components critical to safety. WAI engineers and manufactures smart wiper motors, incorporating our innovative technologies and high-endurance components. WAI smart wiper motors offer the latest in intelligent control and ensures accuracy and compatibility for all vehicles that use it. With built-in diagnostics, the smart wiper motor will automatically align to the vehicle settings for wiper speed and matches the number of speed increments. The wiper motor electronics smart technologies feature Transpo intelligent design. Transpo is well known for designing and engineering innovative and high-quality electronics, pulse boards, chip technologies, and rotating electronic components. Each unit contains 100% all-new components that are precision-assembled and unmatched in quality and performance. Ultra-light aluminum housings are sealed to prevent electronic failure due to corrosion. High-performance motor magnets deliver the amount of torque needed to withstand extreme weather conditions. The gears are made from high-grade composite materials that resist stripping and provide longer life. WAI tests all wiper motors against OEM specifications. Our goal is to enable installers to be able to complete a replacement quickly with no technical programming steps and no core handling. The product should be plug and play to get customers on their way. In the grand scheme of vehicle safety, wiper motors may not command the spotlight, but their role is undeniably crucial. They are the unsung heroes that ensure our visibility on the road come rain or snow. Visit our website to find your replacement wiper motor and to browse our extensive range of other products. Thanks for watching.